Hey everybody, welcome back to my Grow Like a Pro YouTube channel. Today is March the 20th and I thought I would try out some basil seeds. I've never attempted to grow basil from scratch, so I'm going to try today and we'll see what happens. So I've got some brown paper here, and I do find that brown paper is a little bit easier to work with than like white, the regular white paper towel. I just want to get this a little bit wet. That's good, just like that. Make sure that I don't want it too wet. Okay, that's good, just like that. So these are seeds that I harvested off of some basil plants late last year. They do smell nice. So by hand, I picked all of these out. It's probably a better way of doing it. It took quite a while to do this. I don't know how many I'm going to start off with here. I've got 1, 2. These are so small, and I don't want them too close together because I don't really have any experience with these at all. They're so small, they're sticking to my hand. There we go. And one more there, I guess. Okay, so what do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I think that's pretty good. So we'll just close this up. We're going to do the same thing that we do with all our seeds, and we'll see what happens. So you can see them through there. That's nice. And then right into our little baggie, and this is the same baggie that I used for the cantaloupe. And the most important thing is once you get it into this little bag, you want to make sure that you lock it down. You don't want to have the bag, the inside, getting dry, because if that happens, then your seeds are not going to germinate. They'll dry out and just die off. So you just close this up. And there we go. So this is video number 1 in our basil series. So as soon as I see any growth, then I'm going to come back and then I'll show you on camera and then we'll take it from there. So thanks very much for watching. That's it for now, and I'll catch you on the next one.